where my money makes money. Charity. Charity. On this channel, we always talk about making money, saving money, investing money, doing all sorts of things to grow our money. But charity. Charity is a great cause that you can help an organization, a company, a community better. And you know what? It makes me feel good, right? I used to volunteer at the Boys and Girls Club, and giving my time to those young entrepreneurs, those young public speakers, those young doctors and lawyers and scientists. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you have to project greatness into young kids' life in order for them to understand that they are more than where they come from. They're more than what they look like. They're more than what somebody said they was. They're more. Charity, donation, sponsoring, giving your time or your money or both. Okay? Now, granted, if you give your clothes or objects and furniture to Goodwill, it's a good charity, but they sell your clothes for a profit, but they also sell them at a very discounted price. And some of you may disagree about Goodwill. You may not like Goodwill because they take free clothes and then they sell them, right? What a great thing. But they sell these clothes at a very discounted price. And if you are the one donating the clothes, always, I repeat, always get your receipt. In the Goodwill receipt, they have a tax ID number. And up to $5,000 you can claim for charity, for donation on your taxes. And what that does, depending, it's a tax deduction. Now, depending where you are in your finances, you could be teetering between a certain threshold of your tax bracket. And let's just say that $5,000 after they computed lowers you into a lower tax bracket. And when you file your taxes, you can be giving more money away. Okay? You can be getting more money in a return of your taxes. All because you donated clothes. All because you donated old furniture. And I'll say this, don't donate your junk. Okay? People are going to go in that store and who may, now granted, some people go in the store, they have a lot of money. A lot of rich people and wealthy people go in Goodwill, right? Because it be some gems in Goodwill. It be some nice things in Goodwill. But the point I'm making is, if you don't want junk yourself, then don't donate it. Like anything I've ever donated, it probably either was too big or too small. And guess what I do? Even though Goodwill's going to wash it, I still wash because I don't give nobody nothing dirty that's been touching my body. Okay, that's just me. That's just me. But these things can help not just your entire spirit of your financial stability, because when you give, the universe tells us you shall receive. Now, a lot of people are doing good. Like you look at these billionaires, and I want you to look at what they do. And some of you are saying, well, they give all this money away because they get tax breaks. Wait for it. Did you get it yet? Did you get it? You just said they give all this money away so they can get tax breaks. What, last year, Amazon didn't pay any taxes? I wonder how. Did they give stuff away? Did they have tax deductions? Okay. Did Microsoft pay a lot of taxes? Did IBM pay a lot of taxes? Did Facebook pay a lot of taxes? Did Micron pay a lot of taxes? Did Berkshire and Hathaway pay a lot of taxes? Probably not. Because they give millions of dollars away. I remember my 11th grade year at Cardozo Senior High School in Washington, D.C. None of us paid to go to Europe and London. Listen to me. We went to Europe and London as a choir, right? And most of the guys in the choir, we were football players, okay? It was me, quarterback, wide receivers, tight ends, whatever. The football team were the male singers. We got sponsorship from Kellogg's. Yeah. Like Frosted Flakes, that Kellogg, yeah. They gave us $50,000 sponsoring us to go to Paris and England, okay? And we went to London when we went to England or whatever. And the only thing we had to pay for was our passports and spending cash. What do you think Kellogg's did When they gave us that $50,000, they made a record of it. And there was a tax deduction. Okay? And here's the thing, they still lost $50,000, so that equals out. What you don't understand is when companies give money away, it's publicity, it's marketing, it's advertising. Kellogg's sponsored inner city school to go to London, Paris. So now Kellogg's a good company. I'm gonna buy more Frosted Flakes, right? So when you donate your clothes to an organization, to a charity, they a lot of times give you a tax ID number and you can deduct that money, right? Because you're giving that money to an organization to help them to help other people, and in turn it can actually help you. Now, if this is not your thing, you're saying, hey man, I just want to give money freely, I don't care about the tax deduction, then this video isn't for you. But if you can give your money away that you work hard for, why not get a little deductions in the end? Because you know that the government gonna get theirs. They're gonna get theirs when you file single in one, or married in two, or jointly, or married but filing separately. Regardless of how you file, Uncle Sam, they're gonna get their money. So if you're gonna go out and donate, if you're gonna donate to a charity, they got a tax ID receipt, hey, I advise you to grab it. And the next time you file your taxes, you use it. Learn money and be inspired. There's just so many ways to make money. I'm just trying to give you the ways you can. I'm out.